If you're looking for a really nice, comfortable ride for your road trips this summer, come down and check out this 2020 Pacifica Touring L. This thing is fully loaded. It's so cool. Leather interior. The layout of the dash is beautiful. You got digital and analog gauges. It's really sporty. Hands-free controls, cruise control, gear selector, dual climate controls, plenty of storage, plenty of drink holders. You also have a colored backup camera. You've got a panoramic moon roof. DVD players in the back of the headrests. Beautiful captain's chairs. Third row seating. Got plenty of room for cargo in the back for luggage. Come down and level up with us today and take this home and head out on the road.